Hi everyone, it's Chris from Next Step Insurance, here to discuss max out-of-pockets. Max out-of-pocket, in my opinion, is the most important thing that a client needs to know about their insurance plan, more so than the deductible. In the previous video, I discussed what a deductible was. It's the amount you have to pay before the insurance starts really kicking in. The max out-of-pocket, though, is the amount you have to pay before it's 100% covered by the insurance. Max out-of-pockets can vary from $3,000, $5,000, and the most common for 2022 is $8,750. And sadly, those max out-of-pockets go up year after year after year. So the max out-of-pocket, how that is totaled, is every time you spend a dime through your insurance, whether it's a copay at the pharmacy for a $15 prescription, or maybe a chiropractic visit for $35. Maybe you had an MRI and that was $3,000. Every time you spend money, that gets subtracted from that max out of pocket. Once you have reached it, now the insurance pays 100% of all of your expenses until the end of the year. So the max out of pocket is pretty critical to know, because if you end up in the hospital or you have an outpatient surgery cost or a very bad ER visit, you could reach that max out of pocket. Me and all of my agents discuss the max out of pocket to make sure that's something you can afford. You can get plans that have lower max out of pockets. Those are usually considered gold, sometimes silver plans, while the bronze plans, the ones that are more affordable monthly, have the higher out of pocket. But we do have options to help you reach that max out of pocket through somebody else's money. It's often said if you end up at the hospital, somebody's going to pay. Do you want to pay, or would you like to have somebody else pay? So we have gap insurance, accident policies, some very affordable out of pocket where they give you money if you end up in the hospital, that are available to help in case of that worst case scenario. There's nothing worse than having to have an $8,000 bill that you just can't afford. So the max out of pocket, myself and all my agents are very good at letting you know what that is. Please call us if you have any questions. Stay tuned for some more definitions. Call us today to take that next step.